This is the May RoccaBox. This edit is called Be Kind. So let's see how kind RoccaBox have been to us and see what's in here. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video we have this is the May RoccaBox. Let's break it out of here. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It will just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. Right, so here is the May box. Let's open it up and have a sneak peek. If you are interested in signing up for this box, it is £18.95. I have a link. I'll pop the link in the information box and the comment box, and it gets you a percentage off. I think it's 20%. Is it 20 or did it change to 50%? I'm really confused. The information will be below with the correct information for you. But yeah, this is inside the May box, and we have the edit card. It has the information on basically all the products that are in the box, so that will definitely come in very useful indeed. And here is a sneak peek. I'm going to move everything up so we can actually see everything. There we go. That's a bit better of a little peek there. But let's have a proper dig through to see exactly what we've got. So back to the edit card. It just says here, this edit is called Be Kind. There is a big long note there. I don't know. That's going to be too long to read, isn't it? Yeah, it just says, we've edited this box which is worth more than £118 to include products that fit your own ethos of skin kindness. Nourishing skincare that encourages relaxation, gentle formulas, specialist products that lead to growth and repair, therapeutic body care. This is feel-good beauty at its very finest and kindest. Okay, and let's have a look. We have a sneak peek for next month, which is a Nip and Fab product, and it's a Salicylic Fix facial scrub. Okay, so we're huge fans of this exfoliant, which combines chemical exfoliants, salicylic acid, with physical ones, volcanic rock scrub. Give you a really satisfying gritty scrub. So a box to do with kindness, and then next month they're going to scrub all that kindness away. But let's get on with the first product. The first product we have is this. So this is by the brand Monu Skin, and this is a Flash Relax Mask. Okay, this is a full-size product. The RRP for this is £36, and it just says if you're looking for a more gentler, more subtle alternative to Botox or harsh facial treatments, this is it. Ideal for using before a big event or a long day. It smooths away fine lines and facial contours. Cue the instantly smoother and more radiant complexion. The key is the ginseng and the magnesium, which gently relax the muscles to provide a soothing, lifting effect. In addition to vitamin C and B5, naturally boost radiance whilst restoring moisture and intensely hydrating. Use this once or twice a week for visible results, but without harsh ingredients or a needle. Okay, that really does sound interesting. I'm really excited about that. Hell yeah. Even better that it's got vitamin C in. Yeah, can't wait. It's in a pump, and I'm not gonna start pumping away to do a little try of it, because I want to keep this nice and fresh because I want to get the best out of it. The second product in the box we have is this. So this is by the brand Caprea, and it's Lash and Brow Serum. Ooh, interesting. So this again is a full size. This is worth £15.90. It just says a product that encourages natural growth, repair and regeneration is the optimum of kind beauty in our view. This serum, which naturally boosts the growth of your own lashes and brows, gradually leading to fuller, glossier ones, is exactly that. This isn't a product about a quick win. You'll need to use it for at least 4 weeks to see results, but it's worth the patience when you see longer, thicker lashes and brows that are your own. Okay, yeah, hell yeah, I want my lashes to be better than what they are, let's put it that way. God, guys, I'm so hot, dear me. So this is what it looks like. It just looks like a mascara, but it's see-through. You can see straight through it, and it's a fat little one. That is the wand. That is one hell of a wand. Okay, yeah. I think I'm definitely going to give that a go and we'll see what results that we can get. So product number 3 we have is this. So this is by the brand Cetaphil, and this is a gentle skin cleanser. The RRP for this is £5.99 and this is a full size. It just says award-winning and true cult product. This gentle cleanser is so calming, nourishing and hydrating. It can be used in the morning and night on even the most sensitive skins. Non-stripping, non-drying, truly versatile. It can be used with or without water and thoroughly inclusive. Every skin type can benefit from having this staple in their bathroom cabinet. It's the very own definition of kind beauty product. Okay, so yeah, I like Cetaphil, but I know exactly what I'm going to be doing with this. I'm going to be giving this to my son. He has some acne and I think this is going to be great for him. Fourth product we have is this. So this is by the brand Water Skin and this is Lifter Boost Collagen Moisturizer. Oh, this again is a full size product and it's £44.90. It just says collagen plays the leading role in this sellout moisturizer that is so good to your skin. The results are instant. That's very bold claims indeed. Also the reason it's almost impossible to get your hands on. Hydrolyzed collagen sits alongside antioxidant rich vitamin E and skin softening squalene in this supercharged formula which lives up to the hype that surrounds it. Apply in the morning, post cleanse and post serum to plump out, firm and smooth your complexion. With this instantly hydrating, visibly revolumizing effect, you'll soon see why this daily skin treat is lauded as the key plump, dewy complexions by beauty editors across the UK. Oh my goodness, that sounds great. So I can't remember in what box, but I received a water product, was it last month? And that was a collagen thing as well. What was it? A collagen, it was a facial oil serum. Yeah, I've just got it there actually. But yeah, this is what this one looks like. Quite expensive as well, isn't it? Yeah, that is sealed. I'm leaving that sealed because I would definitely want to be using that with the serum oily thing I've got over there as a little set. Yeah, impressive. And final item we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Ameliorate and it's intensive foot therapy. Ooh, this is a deluxe size. That's quite a large size for a deluxe size and this is worth £16. It just says a pre-summer sandal essential. This nourishing foot treatment is gentle and kind to your feet, but oh so thorough. It'll gently but noticeably resurface stubborn areas of hard skin, but will also provide long-term relief to very rough feet and cracked heels. Consider this a form of therapy, but for your tootsies. Ooh, that sounds absolutely awesome. I've been at my job for 8 months now. And I'm on my feet constantly, so my feet are getting used and abused, so this is definitely going to come in very useful. So this is a deluxe size, it says, and it's 75ml, so a really decent size. Yeah, it's not sealed, so we'll have a little go. So that is what it looks like. Ooh, it's quite thick. That absorbs really well. And it smells really nice, really nice. Okay, that's definitely piqued my interest. Guys, forgot to mention this as well. I didn't see it in the box, but we also got a little perfume, a little freebie. It's by Ellie Saab and it's Girl of Now Lovely. It is a 1.5ml little sample, but yeah, love sample perfumes. We get to see if we like it or not before we purchase the full size. This is the May RoccaBox. The edit is called Be Kind. What do you think? Honestly, I'm liking this box. I really am. Well done, RoccaBox. Wow, I'm actually loving it. I love the fact we've got a little mask there. We've got something for the lashes and brows. We have a nice cleanser for the skin. We have what sounds like a very nice face moisturizer that apparently works instantly, so I want to look 16 again when I put it on. And we have a little treat for the feet. yeah, I'm really impressed with that. I mean, this is me nitpicking totally. It would have been nice to have a little makeup product in there possibly, but again, just forget that. That's just me. Yeah, this gets a massive thumbs up from me. I can definitely recommend this box. Let me know your thoughts, comment down below. Obviously they can't keep everybody happy, you might not like this, but yeah, if you want to buy this, the link is down below in the information box and the comment box. Click that and you'll get 20% off. It's either 20% or 50%, I can't remember, but the details are below, so check it out. But that concludes this video, so if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.